Hey, Em, what are you doing, baby?
Oh, knit.
You're knitting?
Yeah.
Humphrey? Come on, silly, come play. Look at the silly dog. Look at this silly boy. Hop! Hop! Hi! Em, you scared him.
He's my dog. Nice!
Em, where'd he go? What are you doing?
Oh, here's the phone. Baby, go!
Hump, come here. Humphrey! Em, he's not happy. Here he comes. Em, come on. Bring him in here. Come on, Humphrey, do some tricks, buddy. Go, Hump. Go, Hump.
Roll up.
Make him do his prayers, Em. Are you dancing? Em, are you dancing with Humphrey?
Are you going to put this on the internet?
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. Bring him over to the light, Em. Come on, Stinky. Hey, Stinky. Hey, Hump. Come on, silly. Come on, buddy. Go, Humphrey. Go, go, go. Hurry up, Em. Hurry up, Emma. Go, Humphrey. Humpy. Come here. Come here, Stinky. Em, you took your stinking shoes off.
She bit me, boy.
Humphrey bit you?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What is this? A knitting puppet?
Yeah, leave it alone. Oh, that's not nice. He wants to play, Em. Play with them. How's he smell, Em?
Good.
Ew. Em, you're silly.